Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got some stamping plates that I bought from Walmart.com. It's going to be a real quick, just showy how they came and all that. They come in a little cardboard thing, and I love that they've got the clear thing, the clear cover showing with the images kind of filled in with color. And this is XYD01, and I love that. I've never seen a stamping plate that had these like cutouts on top of the image showing you kind of what they look like. And this is XYD03. I've only got 3 plates today, and they're not in order. I've got 1, 3, and 6. But I loved all the classy images on here. And look what else you can do with them. Of course, I'm going to show you better here in a moment, with not something wild underneath my painted on my natural nails. I'm going to get clued in here in just a second. Stick with me. Hang on. See, you can break out your color and you can lay them over to see how they would, the design would look on them. And I just love that. How cute. And here's the next plate. This is XYD06. That's the last one that I'm going to show today. And I just wanted to show this real quick. I don't know how I landed on it, but if I can find the link that I went to, I will link it down below. Funny how things pop up on your screen and next thing you know, they're getting delivered in the mail. But I really, really like these sheets that you can lay over and check out, I mean, even if you're using different colors or whatever, it's still very cool. So here are the 3 plates. I really dig them. I do hope you enjoyed this one. Like I said, I'll leave a link if I can find it down below. And it comes in the card. And it says the XYZ, and it's got the instructions on the back. Very nice if you don't know how to use these kind of things, but they're all the same card. I was hoping maybe different numbers. So that is the quick short one for me today, and that is it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.